Hi, welcome to Wild and Woolly Tales and Tales. Happy Halloween. This is my new friend. Yeah, he's a pirate too. Anyways, I just wanted to say hi, and I haven't forgotten about you. Finally, myself the Skilly Cap, and it has this little tie in the back. I know this is a dark video, and I will try to figure out how to get more light in this. But as you can see, we have Frankenstein bag, and we had the sailing ship, and we had the crocheted Scully. I am slipping off my crocheted plun yarn, plastic yarn, plun yarn blanket. It's all done, almost. Got 2 more rows. And we have the day to celebrate our Saints Day. And here was one of them. And he likes to talk. And sorry, I have to get up off of that to sit right. So anyways, hope your Halloween goes off with a great chain and banging and sloshing up. So I'm gonna go out with my pal here, who's always asleep, of course. He's my bongo drum pug dog. Yeah. Well, anyways, I do have some crocheted items. Of course, this is a little bit smaller than mine. It's got the ties in the back of his Scully hat and a pom-pom. And I just did random stitches. Being on the ship, you just can't keep a stitch straight. Okay, so what I'm working on now is a shawl, corner to corner. I don't know if you can see it. I don't see it. Well, that's a little bit of light. Maybe I can add some more light to it. And the other one I'm working on and have completed is another Knight in Shining Armor hat. And I don't know if you can see that. No, it's too dark. Okay, gloves. They're crocheted. Got the red and the gray. Got the gray and the black. And Jonah's hands. I picked up that pattern from Jonah Jonah's hands. Thank you, Jonah. Yes, they're very good. I love them. Well, we're not playing on a full deck, but just so you see, we are lighting it up. It's one of those light switches. And so it kind of helps with a little bit of lighting underneath my tabletop. So anyways, that's my joke. And my finished item was the gloves and the knight's armor. Knight in shining armor. This is a shawl, and it is a pattern from KO, Kristine Omdahl, and it's called the Serpentine, and that's as far I've gotten. And I'll be doing the lace up pretty soon, row 2, and that's what I got on the needles. And anyways, I hope to upload this on time, and hopefully you like that picture in the back. I found that painting, and I had to light it up like a Halloween night pirate treasure hunting. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.